Khan, Kareena Kapoor dancing to Chammak Chalo, definitely the high point of Ravan music launch. The event started 3 hours late, but when it started, it was worth the wait. As a traditional ceremony of music launch is supposed to happen, Shah Rukh invited all the guests on stage. It was a very heartwarming moment. He just gave importance to each and every one of them, be it a smaller member or a bigger member of the entire team. That was definitely touching. You don't really get to see that too often in Bollywood, especially coming from big stars. The way he just invited Karan Johar on stage and what he said about Yash Johar was definitely phenomenal.
ये फिल्म जो है बाप बेटे के ऊपर आधारित है और I don't have a father and so it was very special for me कि मैं ऐसी फिल्म बनाऊं which kind of reminds me of my father and the goodness that he had. इसलिए जीवन जो है good one है. मुझे लगता है कि मेरे बाप अगर मेरे साथ और होते तो good one हर किसी को लगता है. And when I came to the film industry, सिर्फ एक ही आदमी थे जो मेरे माई बाप की तरह, मेरे बाप की तरह उन्होंने मेरा ख्याल रखा, बहुत प्यार किया. लोग समझते हैं कि मैं उनके बेटे के साथ इसलिए काम करता हूँ क्योंकि वो मेरे दोस्त हैं. नहीं, उनके बेटे मेरे दोस्त नहीं हैं, वो मुझसे बहुत छोटे हैं, लेकिन उनके जो बाप थे वो मेरे दोस्त थे. And I miss him a lot. I missed him on his birthday a few days back. And I always think of him कि अगर वो यहाँ पर होते तो इस फिल्म को वो पूरा करते. इस कंपनी को बनाने वाले, मुझको इतना प्यार करने वाले, ये जो पूरी फिल्म है, मैं यश जौहर जी के लिए वो बहुत डांटते इसकी कॉस्ट पर, लेकिन बहुत प्यार भी करते कि हमने इतनी बड़ी फिल्म हिंदुस्तान के बनाई है. सो दिस फिल्म इज फ्रॉम मिस्टर यश जौहर एंड आई नो ही इज यंगर, ही इज लाइक अ लिटिल ब्रदर एंड अ फ्रेंड, so he may think I'm giving him too much importance. The wonderful friend and a wonderful director, the greatest in this country, Mr. Karan Johar, to come and help us release the CD of this film. Thank you, Karan. You want to say something?
Good evening, and I'd like to just say that I'm always overwhelmed when Shah Rukh says anything at all. And if there was one person in this entire industry my father loved and adored, it was Shah Rukh Khan. And I know wherever he is in this universe, he's going to bless Ravan with more love and success than anyone on this platform can imagine. Ravan, I believe, is the proudest Indian film ever made. And I'm sure, and I will say that there has never been in the recent past a music launch like there has been tonight. And trust me, there isn't a film like Ravan is on Indian celluloid. And I wish everyone all the best on this platform tonight.
The first 1 hour of Ravan music launch was covered by a television channel. It was only the last few moments, and the actual music launch, the way it happened with the entire cast and crew present, that was covered by the entire media with all the television channels covering it.
And everybody else who's here from Ravan, I love you guys. Thank you. We're going to make, inshallah, the greatest film this country has ever seen. Inshallah.
The event started with Criminal with Shah Rukh coming from top, high energy number, fantastic performance. Vishal Shekhar performed to a medley of numbers from Ravan, joined by singers like Sukhwinder Singh. Arjun Rampal came before the media for the first time. He was not in the Ravan outfit obviously, but still he looked very lean and mean and very, very effective. The showstopper was obviously Shah Rukh and Kareena's number Chammak Challo. Kareena in that red sari was looking like a wildfire. Shah Rukh and Kareena performed once again to Chammak Challo when the media was allowed to cover the proceedings. It was a short gig but effective nevertheless. Time for some highlights from the press conference, and we really hope that the media should not have been stopped so abruptly after very few questions were asked by the journalists, especially after having waited for such a long time.
2 days before only the music got leaked, and you actually expressed sadness on Twitter as well. So could you please tell us what's happening really?
I don't know, कोई तो है हमारी कंपनी में जो चोर है. थोड़ा अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि ऐसा हो जाता है, बट इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है, कुछ 10,000 लोग 8,000 लोग इस फिल्म पर काम कर रहे हैं, सो दुख ज़रूर होता है. लेकिन आई थिंक भूषण हैज़ बीन वेरी काइंड. हम जो बहुत स्ट्रेस हो गए तो भूषण ने फ़ोन करके बोला कि नहीं फ़िक्र मत कीजिए, हमारा म्यूज़िक फिर भी अच्छा चलेगा इंशाल्लाह. आई विश इट हैडंट बिकॉज आई वांटेड इट टू रिलीज टुडे and then tomorrow come on television and you know all of you talk about it because I really believe this music is very good. लेकिन इतना प्यार से बनाया है, जो चीज़ प्यार से बनती है उसको आराम आराम से दिखाना चाहिए. तो कभी कभी बहुत बुरा लगता है, मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ, but now that it has happened, hopefully everything will turn out well. जो होता है अच्छाई के लिए होता है, so inshallah it will all turn out well.
You know, when the poster came out, people started saying that it's looking like Batman Begins. Even one scene from Dilbara is actually quite like a German ad scene with a
अनुभव?
doctor.
तुम जर्मन ऐड कॉपी करने लगे पिक्चरों में? अच्छा, ओके. या वी आर कॉपिंग सम जर्मन एड्स. वी थॉट नोबडी विल नो.
So really,
What are you doing watching German ads, darling?
I just want to know by the
आप
by the time.
इंडियन एड्स देखो, टैग हॉयर के एड्स देखो, वीडियोकॉन के एड्स देखो, ऐसे जो कंपनीज मैं एंडोर्स कर रहा हूँ उनके एड्स देखो. ये जर्मन ऐड क्यों देख रही हो तुम?
So I just want to know by the time this movie releases, कितनी originality बच
अरे
पाएगी?
यार, किसी को कुछ भी बोलने दो. This is one of its kind, and I say this out of 20 years of my experience in Indian cinema, having got so much. I don't know the fate of the film, I don't know how many people will like it, but this is genuinely, everyone sitting here, everyone who's not sitting here, this is a very special film, mashallah. And I want you all to know this also, please. We all in the entertainment industry, do look at it as something that will take, inshallah, Indian films forward. Not because I've made it, not because all of us are a part of it. I think it's important that Indian films go forward. हम लोग जो है ये छिछोरी बातों के अंदर किधर से कॉपी किया, बैटमैन की एक मिनट कैमरा बंद. We are going to have our Indian superheroes, and not only me, there are going to be other actors and other actresses who are going to make this genre possible. Do you know this? That the only country in the world which has a superhero is America. Why should it be so? We are the largest film producing nation in the world. Why shouldn't we have a superhero? Whether it is me, whether it is Drona, whether it is Krish, or 10 more which will come. So it's a new genre. We should respect it. हम अपनी छोटी छोटी बातों की वजह से इस फिल्म को, आने वाली फिल्म को, दूसरी फिल्मों को छोटा ना करें. We should really look forward to having a new genre. And superhero film सब सेम ही होती है. एक सुपर हीरो होता है, एक सुपर विलन होता है, और फिर हम उसको मार डालते हैं. तो मैं सिर्फ ये बोलूँगा, बिकॉज ये माइथोलॉजी में स्टीप्ड है, कि इस दुशहरा, इस दिवाली रावण को 3D में मरता हुआ देखें. बहुत हो गया बाकी ग्राउंड्स में देखने का. And you will have a good time. So, don't tell me this film looks like this, looks like that. Yes, it looks like all the films in this world. And it is still a very unique film. And I can assure you of that.
Are you taking some measures to curb the piracy?
और हमने करीना को बोला हुआ है कि अगर कोई भी पायरेसी करे तो हम करीना जाकर उसको मार देना वहाँ पे. So she is going to handle it. But we can't do anything. We have all the companies, everyone is trying to make sure, whatever we can save, we will save. We will try and protect it and make sure that it's an experience that everyone should have cinema hall के अंदर. Inshallah.
Bodyguard just released and it has broken all records and it's a 21 crore net figure, one day total. So I want to ask you genuinely, is there a mental calculation that you have done that you got to take it forward than that, maybe like a 25 crore figure?
Unfortunately, the heart doesn't know figures. Heart just makes people watch the film. So I don't know the figures, dude.
You're looking stunning, and probably you are considered as the heroine number one. So,
Who said probably? Who said probably?
Yeah, I take my word back. What is the mantra of your success?
I've just been lucky with some good films, some good directors. Shah Rukh, who's given me such a wonderful film. Now I'm really looking forward to my next festive release, which is Ravan, which I hope and I believe is also going to be one of the biggest. Thank you, Shah Rukh.
आपने कहा कि खूबसूरत कन्याएं आपको खींच रही थी, आपकी चमड़ी खींच रही थी. कितना वजन है जो जीवन का जो कपड़े आपने पहने हुए,
जो अर्जुन का और भी भारी था।
कितना था वही जानना चाह रहा हूँ।
हाँ, अर्जुन का 5 लड़कियां नहीं 8 लड़कियां खींच रही थी।
ओह
हाँ, एक बार मैंने बोला भी कि ये कॉस्ट्यूम मुझको दे दो ठाकुर। और लड़कियों के बारे में मजाक कर रहा था मैं।
जी।
मुझको लड़कियां कपड़े पहनाएं मुझे बिल्कुल भाता नहीं है ये। इट्स एन इंसल्ट टू मी एंड इवन अर्जुन टेक्स इट एज एन इंसल्ट। उतारे वो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
अच्छा, आपकी आंखें नीली हैं।
जो नीली आंखों वाले लोग होते हैं ना, उनको कभी भी यकीन नहीं करना चाहिए उनका।
नहीं, पर हम तो आप पे यकीन करते हैं।
रोमांस की बात कर रहा हूँ, तुमसे थोड़ा रोमांस करूंगा। मुझे देखिए तुमने अपनी यार।
नहीं, पर जीवन पे बिलीव करते हैं हम लोग।
जीवन इज ऑल अबाउट द ब्लू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पार्ट एंड पिक्सल्स, एंड अर्जुन एंड रावण इज ऑल अबाउट द रेड. Red normally is danger and blue is little cooling and nice. So I just thought I'll have blue eyes. थोड़ा सा अलग लगूंगा, लोग समझेंगे अच्छी एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं थोड़ी सी।
काफ़ी पहले जो फिल्में की कई बुड्ढी लव स्टोरी की है आपने, तो ये जो लव स्टोरी है वो कितनी जवान है?
करीना जवान है, इससे ज़्यादा जवान कोई लड़की पूरे हिंदुस्तान में नहीं है इस वक्त। इट्स मोर स्वीट एंड हार्ट फेल्ट देन मोस्ट ऑफ द लव स्टोरीज आई हैव डन। और ये जो लव स्टोरी है थोड़ी सी अलग है। इसके अंदर ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़का लड़की से मिला एंड रिलेशनशिप बढ़ी। इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ लव स्टोरी अबाउट कि एक जीवित इंसान के साथ और एक इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ। आई लाइक द अनफिनिश्ड, unrequited love story about Ravan. There's a beautiful love story in the second half of the film.
Is it true that Ravan is going to be dubbed in Tamil and Telugu and released all over the south?
Simultaneously, we are dubbing just now. As a matter of fact, I think just about yesterday we finished the Tamil, Telugu and all the dubbing. Except Kareena and Arjun have to go and dub just now after the show. We are going to push them, we're going to make them work hard.
People may try to compare it with Yandiran because Tamil version has come out there.
अरे यार, अलग अलग फिल्में होती हैं ज्योति यार, कहाँ पे किसके साथ हम कंपेयर करेंगे?
And it's a technically different, much more better than Yandiran.
I will not like to claim and talk about anybody else's film because Rajni sir is too much respectable for all of us. Actually, we have a tribute to Rajni sir in the film, and we love him. You know, मैं अभी अनुभव से बात कर रहा था परसों और उसने मुझे बताया कि उसके कुछ हॉलीवुड के दोस्त हैं, उन्होंने फ़ोन करके बोला कि यार ये पिक्चर इंडिया में नहीं बन सकती. So we are very proud of what the people in this country have achieved all over the country. Apart from Red Chillies, there are other studios working on it, and I think they've done a great job to take the technology of Indian cinema forward, and we should feel very proud of the fact. हम लोग कब तक वायर निकालते रहेंगे हैरी पॉटर की? I think we need to make Harry Potters here. We need to make Spider-Mans here. We need to make Superman here.
At the entrance of the big studios here in Film City, a lot of merchandise from Ravan was placed, and considering Superman, Batman, they've known to have fantastic merchandise, and the amount of money that they make because of merchandise is phenomenal as well. It is a fantastic effort. A lot depends upon how the film does and the character, how it is identified with the kids, especially because if it works, it can be a huge money spinner. That is the merchandise that I'm talking about of Ravan. The promos of Ravan are looking very interesting. It's very apparent that a lot of hard work has gone into making this film, but a lot is at stake. Big money is at stake. Shah Rukh Khan's King Khan image is at stake as well, considering Salman Khan has been making super inroads into the superstardom right now. So I'm sure that Shah Rukh will go all out to promote it. Shah Rukh will go all out to ensure that box office records are challenged. It's going to be a very interesting battle ahead, and I'm sure that 26th October is the date, and 1.5 months, it will be a very interesting time for the film industry.
लड़ाई गोलियों से नहीं, दिल से जीती जाती है.
This is Faridun Shahryar with Zuhaib Jamadar and cameraman Tahir Sheikh for Bollywood Hungama News Network.